Okay, team, here's basically what we do. Like on WordPress, right? You're going to go into your WordPress. We've installed the header footer widget on here. All right, so install plugins, appearance. Where is it? Header footer settings. Add new snippet. All right, just throw it in here. Pixel. Site wide. It's an HTML snippet. Location is going to go on the header. It's going on all devices. And then literally you just take that code from yesterday. Bam, bam. Throw it in there. Hit save. I'm not going to do it on this site because it's a test, right? But so that's how you can basically throw it inside of there. Any header footer, like code editor for WordPress or really any site will work. If you're using GHL sites, then obviously you just go into your website. Let's see if I have one action at least. So go into sites, websites, agency. All right, we'll just use this test. Go into settings and literally just throw it in the head tracking code right there. Same thing for funnels. Right? If you got it in a funnel, kicking me out, but any funnel as well. You're just going to throw that in there in the head and foot. It just needs to be wherever it's going to appear on every single page. So no matter where they enter, it keys up and it finds their information. So that's how you install it, man.